Yeah. I still think that, go on, mate. Is it a blue Nissan? I thought he was holding something in his left hand, right down low. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm completely wrong. He is, and it's a clearly lit up phone. I can see that he was typing something. What's going on there, mister? Oh dear, oh. Oh well, we don't need to talk to you anymore. I think you know exactly what was wrong by how quickly you put the phone down and how you reacted with it. That was a Nissan GT, I thought it might have been, I wasn't sure. We don't need to talk to the man. Around this taxi rank. Mind your door there, mate.